So this is off and on. We're gonna turn it on.
Okay.
You're gonna see 4 zeros, then it goes to 1 0. When it starts flashing, that's gonna be the speed, which is the milliliters, and it's 85, right? So 85. With this, you can adjust it. You can raise it up, lower it, or an easy way, just come over here to the side.
Ah, that's cool.
You're gonna go faster.
Yeah.
85. There it is. Okay, so now we have the rate. Now we gotta add the dosage, which is gonna be 85 times 12 hours, 1010.
1010.
So for that, we gotta come over here to VTBD, which is volume to be delivered.
Okay.
If you press on this, you're gonna see 4 zeros. If you don't adjust it, it's gonna go back to the milliliters.
Ah, I see.
So you have like 4 seconds to work with it. So once you press in here, you gotta go to 1010. You can go in here, or just press and hold, and it's gonna just take off.
Oh, I see.
I think it's quicker over here though.
Yeah.
10. Okay, so there it is.
Okay.
And it's already set.
So that's it?
Yeah, once we put the formula, all you have to do, once you press start, it's gonna start working.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so we got the rate times 12 hours, volume to be delivered, 1010. Now we have to just press start and hold this a pause. Let's say you want to clean the G2 of the patient. You press pause, work with the patient, then start, and it gets back to working.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Cool.
And it's
Pretty easy.
okay. So now this is the other thing.
All right.
Before adding the formula, lock the tubing right here, so the formula doesn't go through. Like,
So down is lock?
yeah, down is locked and
Okay.
up it's unlocked.
Okay.
So now let's say this is the formula. This bag goes on only up to 1000.
Okay.
But if you need 1010, just wait until the formula goes down, let's say 10 milliliters, then you can add up the rest.
Okay.
Because the machine is going to be asking you for the 1010, and if you don't have it here, it's going to start beeping.
Ah,
When it
okay.
gets, all right?
All righty.
So now it's already locked. We're going to put the formula to the top.
Okay.
All right, and make sure to put the top on it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. So this is very important. Before you release the formula, make sure that this tube is not taped to the side. Make sure that it's straight. If it gets a lot of milk around from this line and up, it's gonna start beeping because this machine has a sensor right here.
Okay.
And if it detects any formula here, a lot, it's gonna start beeping. Okay, so now let's do this. So once you unlock it, the formula is going to start going through, and as soon as the formula gets to the tip, lock it again so it doesn't go out. So here we go.
Okay.
You're going to see it here. It's actually going so fast we can't even see it.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
See it?
All right. So then you lock it. I see.
All right. And you know, there's no air, and there's not got to be any air bubbles.
There's not going to be.
Yeah, if you ever see air bubbles from the bag to this tube, it might start beeping.
Okay.
Okay, so now that
So
we
how do you solve that problem?
just gotta let it drain, make sure that the air bubbles go through this,
Okay.
and once it goes through this, then it's safe.
Okay.
You can take it out from the machine and just let it drain until the air bubbles go through.
Okay.
Okay, so now here we go. The tubing is gonna go here. Just make sure that this is all the way down.
Okay.
There it is.
All right.
Now when you come to this part, you can pull it. Just pull it down. It goes right there. And then the other part goes right here. And then just put the lid in there.
Okay.
And the last thing, never to forget, unlock it.
All right.
Some people forget, and when you go and turn it on, it's not pulling anything, it's going to start beeping.
I see. Okay.
So right there, it's ready.
All right.
So now, all you have to do, press start, and it's going to start working right away.
So you unlock the thing.
Unlock, and then there it goes. So right now it's working at the rate of 85, and it's gonna give you 1,010 milliliters. I mean
Yeah.
milliliters.
1,010, yeah.
Milliliters.
I see.
So that's what you gotta do if the doctor ever says, just give them instead of 85, bring it down to 70 or 50. Just multiply the cc's, the milliliters, times the hours,
Okay.
and that's gonna equal the dosage that you're gonna put in the bag.
Okay.
So milliliters times the hours equals the dosage,
Okay.
and as you can see, it's already working.
Very good.
So let's say you want to attend to the patient, start and hold. This is like a pause.
Oh, I see.
Press it,
And it'll blink.
Mhm.
Okay.
You have probably like 2 minutes. Once
Oh.
you do what you gotta do,
Uh-huh.
then start and press again.
So if you don't do it within turn it on between those, after those 2 minutes, does it shut off the machine, or you have to reset it?
I think it goes back to, but I think it starts beeping.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, just turn it off, or what you can do, just turn it off and do what you gotta do.
Then when you turn it back on, will it remember the last settings?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The settings the settings keep staying there. Volume to be delivered.
Okay, great. Okay.
Okay.
In
So
case we have a power outage,
yeah, and if there's a power outage, there's a battery in this
Okay.
machine, only for some time as well. Not sure for how long. I'm guessing close to like 2 hours.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If it's a full charge. Okay, so volume clear, but the volume is gonna show you how much has been given to the patient from the 1,010.
Okay.
So right now only 1 milliliter has been given.
Okay.
That's how you check on the volume. Okay, that's your clock.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's pretty much it. So let's go once again. Turn it off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so to start, turn it on. 4 zeros, and then goes to the milliliters.
Okay.
So once you have that, if you ever want to change it, just raise it up or lower it.
Okay.
Doctor tells you to put it to 100 or 50. You can change it with this or this on the side.
Okay.
All right, and then the formula, what's going to be given to the patient. Before you add it here, just do the math. Multiply the cc's times the hours.
Okay.
That's going to give you the result of the volume, VTBD volume to be delivered.
Okay.
You press that, adjust it. If you don't do anything, it goes back to the cc's.
Okay.
All right. So let's say you press it. This is how you adjust it. You can raise it up, lower it. And once you have the right setting, give it a few seconds, and then it goes back to the cc's, and it's ready to start. Now you press start, and there we go.
Oh, I see. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's turn it off.